Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to another Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. But today, we're gonna do things a little bit different. Let's get into it. Before going any further into this video, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way we continuously grow. It benefits us, it benefits you down the line. We're talking about giveaways and other cool prizes. Plus, it allows us to create better content moving forward. Share the content with your friends, let them know that we're in the building, continuously dropping videos weekly for you guys. Now, we highly recommend you doing this mod, so hit the website MotovationUSA.com so you can grab one for your motorcycle. If you were to encounter any issue with your radiator or oil cooler, it's gonna be costly to replace, so having that there will save you a ton of heartache and your wallet in the long run. We'll start by taking off the 4 screws that are on the side of the radiator guard. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. It's super exposed, and this mod is a must, and I highly recommend it. The links of some of the stuff I'm talking about are going to be in the description. Definitely check them out. So quickly, I want to show you guys this. I think Evotech and Brembo are the only 2 companies I've seen doing this. It's really cool. They provide a digital PDF file in color of the installation instructions. Really, really cool. You have your instructions on hand, of course, since we always have our cell phones. All right, let's keep it moving. On the opposite side. Hopefully you guys can see that applied on both sides. Let's throw this on. So we're gonna take a little bit of Loctite and we're gonna apply it here to the screw. Now we're going to tighten them down. Check your service manual for your torque spec. That is, of course, always. This one's a little tricky. What you see here is from the bottom of the bike. There are 2 screws holding the oil cooler. The 2 screws I took at the bottom of the bike off. I'm showing you one right now, but it comes with a washer. We're gonna reuse this washer because Evotech provided their own screw that's a bit longer. This is Evotech's screw, the one that they provided. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna take that washer, the OEM one, we're gonna pull it out and put it with the longer screw. As I mentioned, a little Loctite. You don't have to put a lot of it. I'm going to take the engine guard itself, that's it right here. I'm going to slide it into place. Then I'm going to take the oil cooler guard. I'm going to slide it right in between like a sandwich. Getting underneath there to rescrew it is a really big challenge without someone else helping you, so just a heads up. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorship. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotovationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.